Today is April 25th, 2025. This is the Cyclematic toolroom lathe. It is a 2009 machine. The serial number is 9810793. Normally we like to step back and try and get the full machine in the view, but because this is a smaller lathe, tried to keep it a little closer so you can see the operations a little easier. So we will run up and down through the speed briefly, do the feeds, and if there are any questions, feel free to contact us. I'll tell you what, I'll adjust them because your arm blocks them. That's it. There is tooling with the machine, and this tooling is laid out and pictured better on the website, so you'll be able to see clearer photos of everything laid out. Nope, that one's bolted shut, that's okay. But that is the basic operations of the machine, and if there are any questions, please feel free to ask.